Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how to know if you are blocked or someone has deleted Yubo. Here, all the friends that are on my Yubo have not deleted their accounts, so all the friends, if I go onto chats, I will be able to chat with them. But if someone has deleted Yubo and if you go onto their profile, it will show you inactive on their account, and as they have deleted Yubo, their account may also be removed from your account because it is inactive. So those are a few ways to know if someone has deleted Yubo on their smartphone. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment or review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.